How to use advanced feature in BeReal. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use advanced feature in BeReal. So basically, in order to use the advanced feature, you first have to update the app to the latest version. So head to your respective app store and then type in BeReal on the search bar and update the app to the latest version. So BeReal includes several advanced features beyond basic posting such as RealMojis, memories, BeReal audio, real groups, tagging, and behind the scene. So basically, if you're unhappy with your initial BeReal, you can retake this picture multiple times within the 2-minute window. Note that your friend can see how many times you retook the photo. Similarly, you can manually switch the focus between the front and the back camera as well before both pictures are taken by tapping the reverse button. And then you could also tap the lightning bolt in the camera interface to turn on the flash for your photo as well. And before posting, you can choose to share your BeReal with only your friends or on a public discovery feed, which has been replaced by friends of friends in some reasons. So this way you should be able to use the advanced feature in BeReal. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.